What a YouTube? It's Cinematic Bird. Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a mukbang. You know what I mean? Doing a old mukbang. When we got this burger, let you guys see the burger. Got this burger right here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna let you know the name of the burger. All right. Found it on Uber Eats. It's from Two Chicken Bros. Two Chicken Bros, right? And the burger is called, hold on, Two Chicken Bros. Burger is called Nashville Style Sandwich. All right. It says chicken, crispy chicken or spicy crispy chicken, potato roll, pickles, coleslaw salad with comeback sauce. Yes, sir. Comeback sauce. So we finna go ahead and bite into this burger and see what it's all about. I got me a smoothie. To cleanse the palate. All right, here we go. Time first bite first. Let's open it up a little bit. See the coleslaw, some pickles, comeback sauce, and this is the regular, not the spicy, crispy chicken. So here we go, taking that first bite. Mm, mm, it's pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm about to mess this one up. Mm, mm. The chicken is nice and crispy. Mm, right amount of seasoning. Mm, bread on point. Coleslaw good. I like it. Mm, grab my napkins. Mm, taking me a few chews. Sauce dripping all over the place. I'm not a food review guy. I just want to, I mean, this channel, you know, it's going to be like about, you know, cinematic, type of video stuff. And if it's, food, let's do it. We'll see how this video pop off. Pretty good. I recommend if you guys in the Orlando area, Two Chicken Bros. Yeah, I recommend. Pretty good. It's another burger I want to do. Well, this is a spicy chicken sandwich. but this is not the spicy one. But it's a burger I want to do. I had it before, but I wanted to do a little mukbang on a mukbang video on it. It's a Mr. Beast burger. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out, Mr. Beast. I gotta make sure. Excuse my kids, they're here at my house making noise. But I gotta make sure I bring some napkins before I start shooting. Shooting a video. I just about to tell them to close the door. Almost done. Pretty good sandwich. Pretty good. Pretty good sandwich in my opinion. But you here in Orlando area, I got this off of Uber Eats. So you can go ahead and check out Two Chicken Bros. Hey, close the door. Close the door. Close the door. I'm sorry about that. Close the door. Sorry about that, guys. I got my microphone. It's a condenser mic, so it picks up on all sounds in the area. So I know you guys can hear them. Try to limit it, the sounds, talking in the background. But yeah, that's it. Last piece, guys, going down. All done. Yep, that's it. Now I got my smoothie. Homemade smoothie. So that's it for the video, guys. Appreciate you guys coming to check it out the video. Two Chicken Bros. Spicy chicken or regular crispy chicken sandwich. Nashville. Hot style. Go ahead and check it out in Orlando area. I don't know if they're in your area. If you're watching, I don't know if they're in your area, but I know they're here in Orlando. So bless you guys. You guys have a good one. Stay safe out there. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. To your boy, Cinematic Bird. I'm out. Peace.